Hello, I'm White Junior the Fourth. If I said it right, if I said my name right. And also, welcome to how to do Abridged videos and also voiceover parodies because we want to teach you how to make your own. You probably know Jamesyskull, which he voiced me, and also a lot of characters in Hello Neighbor Abridged, in the Shonen Chronicles Abridged one as well. But I will teach you how to do some voiceover parodies and Abridged videos episodes. Yay! First, you're gonna do is go into KineMaster and also type anything you want to name for your project. Is it part 1 or part 2 or part 3? You can name it whatever you want. Keep in mind, this is Jamesyskull's version. It depends if you use a PC or an Android or a mobile phone. But since there is no computer, so Jamesy decided to use KineMaster. And also, the editing takes way too much time. You can record some voiceovers for your own, considering Jamesyskull does all the voiceovers for Shaolin Chronicles Abridged and also Hello Neighbor Abridged. But when he needs voice actors, he always puts the letters and text layers onto the screen so it's a real script, so they can act and send it to him through Google Drive. Something like this, where you can put text on the screen for the voice actors to record the lines on Discord, and you can download them and send it to here, and that's pretty much it. So, yeah. Okay, back to the editing. So, after you're done with the voiceovers and low pitching or high pitching them up, or staying them as normal, you can go into the audio and you can pick any music or sound effect for your video, and you can lower them whatever you want them to if it's too loud, so if you can't hear the voiceovers. So yeah, after you are finished editing and doing all the voiceovers and audio, you can always save as video, and also since your project is already done, and voila, let's see the results.
Can you tell me a funny joke?
What do you think of Brian X Stewie?
I don't know. Why?
Because Brewy is my favorite Family Guy ship in the world.
Dude, you know that's a pro ship, right?
Yeah, but the good one. No harm. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you. And also, please let us know in the comments what we miss, and we will be answering so we can make a part 2 if you want. And oh, if you can't do this by your own and voice all of the characters, you might as well hire voice actors, the unpaid ones or paid ones if you want, through Discord with the Discord server Voice Acting Club. Or you can open an audition post on Tumblr. And also, by the way, my parents aren't siblings. They're not. Goodbye.